All right, let's face it, we all make mistakes from time to time, and more than likely you might be one of those people who will make a mistake in the PDC system, and that's okay. There is a process that you must take in order to actually reset or to get rid of an activity, and that all depends on how far you are in the process. So in this testing activity that I have here, if I go into details, you'll be able to find in the workflow status list here of the things that you would have to do in order to actually eliminate this workshop altogether. Let's say I didn't go because I was sick, or let's say that the CEUs that I put in weren't the correct ones and I needed to change it. I mean, there are many different reasons as to why you might have to reset or you might have to delete altogether. So in this case, I'm going to say that I actually didn't attend this, and I requested $1, but I need to put that $1 back in because I do not have a receipt and I have no means of getting that money. So what I'll do is I'll just come here and hit the reset button, and I'll indicate why. Diane, I never attended and need to have the money be zeroed out. Thanks. Okay. So I'm going to copy that. Okay, so now I'm going to hit process. Okay, and so now you'll notice that there's no longer a reset button there because I've notified Diane that I made a mistake and she's going to help me with that process. And also here I need to let Bill Hagan know that I also did not attend, and so I need to have the CUs be zeroed out and process that. Okay. Now, in order for this whole workshop to be dropped, I need to have any monies associated zeroed out, any professional days, substitute, let's see, CEUs, any of those big items that were attached to this have to be zeroed before the workshop can actually be dropped. And the way that you'll know that you can actually drop the workshop is by coming in here and going into details. I will eventually see a drop workshop button right there. Now, another thing that you could do is you can go back to your activities active list, and if I just hover over this triangle, you'll notice that this started now. It will say waiting for supervisor response on reset for approved funding. So I have started that process. And I have to wait until I get a response.